Planning a trip and wondering if you can bring your favorite sleeping bag along for the ride? Whether you're heading out for a camping adventure or just want a comfy night's sleep away from home, we've got the answers you need. Let's dive into everything you need to know about flying with sleeping bags. TSA rules for sleeping bags. Good news, TSA has no problem with sleeping bags. You can pack them in your carry-on or checked luggage. However, remember, the final decision always rests with the TSA officer at the checkpoint. So, if they're unsure about your bag, you might have to check it. Can sleeping bags be a personal item? Want to use your sleeping bag as a personal item? That's totally fine as long as it fits under the seat in front of you. Just make sure it meets your airline size and weight requirements. Packing sleeping bags in checked luggage. Got a larger sleeping bag? Checked luggage is the way to go. TSA even says it's okay to attach your sleeping bag to your backpack if you're checking it in. Just ensure it's packed securely to avoid damage or loss during transit. How to pack a sleeping bag for travel. Packing tip: compress, compress, compress. Use a compression sack to squeeze your sleeping bag into a smaller size. No sack, roll it up, tighten it with straps or cords, and you're good to go. Backpack packing tips. Carrying a backpack. Pack lighter items at the bottom and heavier ones, like your sleeping bag, closer to the top for better balance. If your bag doesn't have straps, bungee cords work great for attaching it. Packing in a suitcase. Prefer a suitcase? Lay your sleeping bag flat at the bottom to save space. Just remember, larger sleeping bags can take up quite a bit of room, so plan your packing wisely. Pro tip: without a compression sack. No compression sack? No problem. Roll up your sleeping bag, tighten it with straps, and squeeze out all the air to save space. Simple and effective. Final thoughts. Flying with a sleeping bag doesn't have to be a hassle. Just follow your airline size and weight guidelines, pack it properly, and you're all set. Got any other travel questions? Drop them in the comments below. Safe travels, and sweet dreams wherever you roam. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tips.